more. Let's see what happened this week with the Intense 5. Playing dandy shandy with rocks? The things that go viral. I just don't get it.
You need to try out for the women's cricket team, car. The ball where them a bowl. Offset and Cardi B and the BET Awards. Fire! No soft for them love turn right up.
Yup. Dancehall queen Carlene didn't hesitate to put Beanie Man on blast at their daughter's graduation. She was quite diplomatic when she said she did all this without any help from the father, aka Beanie.
Alright.
Yeah.
Focus, reggae boys, focus. The boys drew 1-1 with Curacao earlier this week. We need a win on Sunday, boys. Come on.
And finally holding the spot this week, Popcorn shows that he's all about developing his home parish, St. Thomas. The artist turned up at a groundbreaking and told the Prime Minister he's giving his full support. Unstoppable youth that, yeah? Trouble.
That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember to send your list to our IG and Facebook pages at TVJ Intense.